Hi, my name is Judy, and this is my new crafting YouTube channel, Just Judy Crafting. I wanted to do an introduction video of my interests and some of the things I'll be sharing here on my channel. I love everything shabby chic and vintage. I started doing scrapbooking 20 years ago now that led to doing paper art like loaded envelopes, altered items like clothespins. I love the sparkle. Die cuts. Of course, you have to add all the shabbiness. Dominoes. Bling, of course. And muffin tids. Boy, was this fun. I have fun doing Julie nutting tags and pocket letters. Some of the people who inspired me are Michelle Randolph, Scrap the World, Created to Create, Live, Love, Scrap, and A Trace of Sparkle. I hope you'll join me on the adventures in crafting, learn a little something, make a little something, and have a lot of fun on Just Judy Crafting. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in the comments let me know some of the things you like to create. Have a great day.